Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a polar bear and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is Grow a Garden Summer Camp Event Update, and they have just added new item here on the crafting bench. Wait, let me go to the crafting bench. As you can see here guys, there is new pet, flame bear. And to craft this flame bear, you need this campfire egg, one polar bear, and also 15 million shekels. And I'm going to show you guys where you can get the polar bear. You need to buy a legendary egg. Go to the egg shop right here, and then you're going to go to the egg shop menu. Okay, then you can buy legendary egg, and you will have 2.13% chance to get the polar bear to craft flame bear during the summer camp event update in Grow a Garden. Okay guys, and that's how we can get polar bear in Grow a Garden to craft flame bear during the summer event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!